Welcome back to the Junkman's Adventures. I'm the Junkman, and I'm going to start a little bit of a vlogging series. As you can see, I'm standing in front of a car. This is a new car, or a new-to-me car. It's a used car, but new to me. And I'm going to do a few things to it. You know, there's going to be some repairs along the way. And I wanted to kind of make this into a little bit educational for people who might want to follow along. Because like the things I'm going to eventually do to this are things that just about any used car, when it's new to you and you don't know a lot of the history on it, that you're going to want to do, or recommended things that you should do. This car is in great shape cosmetically, interior, exterior, and mechanically, but it does have some miles, and I do know a lot of the service records and things on it, so I do know some of what has been done and what hasn't been done. And that's what this vlogging series is going to be about. We're just going to go through some things and show you a lot of it's basic maintenance, some of it's preventative maintenance, some of it's some future problems that could arise. We're going to deal with those now before they're a problem. But this car is in such great shape, most people would probably just drive it as is, and I could just drive it as is. And there is nothing wrong with this car. It could be driven probably another 10, 15,000 miles before anything that would be considered major by average person's standards probably needs done to it. But I'm going to take care of a lot of that here kind of from the outset and my ownership of it. It's a one-owner car, so I bought it from the original owner too. Got the window sticker and everything, so that's another thing. But anyway, this car is replacing my my 2001 Impala as kind of the good car, or the trip car. So, like I said, this won't be a commuter or won't be a grocery getter or anything like that. It's just going to be purely a long trip car. So kind of bought it for comfort. And of course, I know I'm putting myself out there by showing this isn't a daily driver, but what I'm driving here. And everybody's going to say, oh man, these things are junk and whatever, GM's crap and all that. And you know what? All the brands have their little things. And I'm not even really a GM guy, but I've had ones in the past, served me well. It's all about maintenance with cars. I don't care what you have. Even some of the worst of cars can last and give people good service as long as they're taken care of. And that's what we're going to take care of right now, is continue on with the good maintenance this vehicle's had.
Alright, that wraps it up for this auto vlog, episode 1. Get subscribed so you can see what more I have to do this car, the little maintenance items, and some of the little tech tips that are coming along the ways, and some of the little convenience items that we might add. So subscribe, check out my website, like the Facebook page, check out my Twitter, I'm on Instagram, and as always, thanks for watching.